the Hertz Foundation's Summer Workshop, a time when the nation's brightest minds gather to connect, exchange ideas, and push the boundaries of science and innovation. Welcome to Summer Workshop 2025.
The Hertz retreats and the summer workshops are so invigorating. I feel like you come back for them and you're just sort of lifted up for the next month or so back at school working on your projects. It's just like some diffuse excitement that kind of lingers afterwards.
The Hertz community is really unique. The formal science talk program is only a piece of what I look forward to about this. It is such a place for intellectual growth. It's such a place for learning new things and being excited about what you're doing and what others are doing. And then it's a place where I come to make lifelong friendships as well.
Something also really special about the Hertz Foundation is that it is a multidisciplinary and multi-generational community. And that's something that I don't think I've ever seen among other organizations. It gives you like a really broad perspective.
By having this multi-generational community, we're able to interact with them, show them that careers are not linear, they can take on different paths and trajectories. They can be academic, they can be industrial, they can be commercial, and yet we're all pulled together recognizing that that's how technology gets advanced in society.
Every time I talk to a fellow, and this is true for myself also, the consensus is always, this is the one place where they can access so many different topics coming from subject experts. So topics they know nothing about and that they're excited to learn about and that they're willing to discuss afterwards.
I am a pathological optimist, so I hope maybe we'll walk away here with some good ideas about what to do.
I want to talk about information theory in biology, something that has become really more popular in the last 15 years or so.
The board of directors has launched the first capital campaign in our history with the goal of raising $40 million. We'll put the Hertz Foundation on the sound financial footing it needs to scale and sustain its impact for the future. We've been getting a head start on this goal. We have managed to secure $30 million.
I like to think that the original summer workshop goals are reached every year. We get brilliant people together, we let them learn about some cutting-edge science and important problems so they have some good fodder for discussions, and we give them a fun opportunity to get to know one another as trusted friends and collaborators and colleagues. Importantly, this is not just a one-off, but rather a recurring event, and new people enter the fold each year.
Through this first workshop that I was invited to, I've learned that, wow, I have never been to another conference or event where we cover so much breadth and depth of various fields. And so that was really exciting for me.
I think what inspires me most about Hertz Fellows is kind of intellectual curiosity and also their deep commitment to important problems. And this combination, I think, really gives Hertz Fellows the motivation to do very difficult technical work and commit to it for a long time. Combined with this deep curiosity, really enables Hertz Fellows to solve difficult challenges and address some of the challenges that we're seeing in our world today.